Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into a giant using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to open up Pippit AI website, then you're going to sign in to get free credits. Then go to the home menu and you can add your prompt here. I'm going to use this prompt and then I'm going to upload my photo. Wait, let me choose a random photo from my gallery. From my device. I'm going to use this one and we're going to submit the photo and also the prompt to the AI and let the AI do something for the photo. Okay, it's still loading guys. You can use my prompt if you want, or you can ask AI to make a prompt for you. Okay, done guys, and this is the result. Wow, that's so cool. And if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on regenerate here and the photo will be regenerated by AI. If you want to download it, just click on this download menu and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn yourself into a giant using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you, and if you want to try it yourself, you can click Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description and you can try to make any video or any photo as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching guys, and bye!